All right, afternoon, family. It's evening time. I just got finished making a video up of the young birds. This right here is gonna be my breeding section. Actually, I already put some feed out here to get the birds out of the nest boxes. I still got one bird left out from the young birds. Got some crows up there. Let's give a quick rundown. It's a little junk in here, but this is so great because this is the last of my breeding. So let's see what we got in here. We got one right there. It's an egg with it, so we're gonna have to see what happened with that. I know we got one back there. And this one right here is probably on eggs. He's all right. 2 eggs on him. She's got 2 babies in there. This red's got 2 eggs. 3 babies in there. This is my splash. You can see I'm gonna have to ban them today. And this one right here has 1 baby and 1 egg. We ain't gonna bother them. Got 1 hatched out of there, 1 egg left in there. Nothing in there. Got 2 babies in there. Let's see if we can get a better look. 2 babies in there, 1 egg. I have to look at the candle on that one. I don't think that egg is any good, but we're gonna leave it for right now. Okay, got 2 eggs in there. Okay, this is a young bird. 2 babies and 2 youngsters in there. Let's see what else we got. 2 youngsters still in there. Parents right over here. They're probably sitting on eggs. Let's see what's up there. Looks like 2 babies in that nest. I'm glad I did an update on this for myself. Looks like we got 1 baby in there. Gonna have to get in there, do some banning today. Eggs there. Looks like 1 egg hatched there, 2 more eggs in the nest. 2 babies right there. I know she got babies. Well, he got babies underneath him. Yeah, see, got 2 babies there. 2 youngsters right there. They probably need to come out of here anyway. All right. 2 babies right there. Yeah, this will definitely be it for breeding for me. 2 youngsters. I thought she had some eggs. Look at her. Has some eggs in there, and they sitting on them. Well, if baby's gonna sit on the eggs, why not let them? Yeah, that seems like it's about it. So, well, we probably got about, well, we're definitely gonna have about 20 birds in here that we can ban. Pretty close to it. All right, that's the breeding section. Can't wait to go ahead and scrape everything out and pull these boxes out. All right, comment, subscribe. See, it is dirty in here, but I got plenty of water. Right, let's check the plenty of feed in there. All right, let's get out of here. That's all for the breeding section. Comment, subscribe. Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. All right. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do. Peace.